Hi everyone, my name is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, and I am with my colleague who is a Tantra teacher. His name is Jon Gosling, and he's based in Manchester, UK. So in this video, I want to ask him the question of what advice he has for penis owners, being a penis owner himself.
I think there's two main things I'd like to mention. The first is that as a penis owner, we learn that our pleasure center is our penis, and we become obsessed with our penis to the extent that that is a sole source of pleasure, and it becomes a complete focus for any kind of pleasure. And the reality is that we have many pleasure receptors in our body, and opening up the possibility of expanding the pleasure away from the penis into other parts of our body gives us so many more options to actually enjoy pleasure. And the other thing is that the penis is often used as a symbol of power. And for penis owners, there's a lot of identification with our own power from our penis, and we identify with that. And the truth is that as we get older, our penis behaves differently to when we were younger, and we go through a cycle of life through our penis. And it's actually, if we can learn to expand our pleasure into other parts of our body, we can have just as much pleasure in our body when we're 65 as opposed to 25.
Yeah, I love what you're saying in using the word expand.
Sorry?
I love what you're saying with the word expand. Because what happens with the prostate cancer survivors that I work with is that when their bodies change because of radiation, chemotherapy, and surgery, and their penis may atrophy, and they may have difficulties with their erection and their ejaculation. They feel that life as they know it is over, and they contract. Instead, it is possible to learn different skills so that you expand.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's beautifully put.
Yeah. So thanks for this video. Let's invite everybody to tune in to the other videos.
Okay. Thanks for having me.